Here Teresa is trying to get a picture of that beautiful bunting. It is not an easy catch, for sure. And I'm sitting in the truck in the warmth. What a jerk. The things we have to do to support our wives and their dreams of photography and pictures, you know. I have to suffer through this. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it on this 44-degree day. There it goes. She's gonna get it though. She's determined. That is one thing my wife is full of, is determination. So I'm gonna let her do her photographing, and you all have a great day.